Welcome everybody to another episode or edition of the Millionaire Mindset Mastery Bootcamp series. And today we're the alumni from that, and we're talking today to Sidra Rustam. So hi, welcome Sidra. So nice to have you here.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm very well, thank you, Sidra. So thank you so much for joining us today, Sidra. So Sidra, before we begin, so why don't you introduce yourself and say, what you do and who you are and where are you based as well?
My name is Sidra. I work for a multinational company in Dubai as a graphic designer, and I am from Dubai. Basically, I'm from Pakistan.
You're an expat. You're an expat. So you're from Pakistan, living now in Dubai, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So Sidra, tell everybody, what was your problem before you joined the Millionaire Mindset Mastery? What was your initial issues before you actually started the program with us?
Okay, my issues were related to money, as I have been making a lot of money. It's not like I don't make good money, but I cannot keep the money. It just gets wasted. It just goes it does not stay. And I was going in debts. The amount of money I'm making, the same amount of debts I have.
So even the income was good, was pretty good. Which I find with a lot of my professional clients, they have good income level and they have good incomes coming in, but the debts are going up just as the income goes up.
Yeah.
And so they don't have any savings because of it. Yes, that's a very common phenomenon with most of my professional clients.
Yeah. Even I saved, even I have some investment, but the amount I saved, the amount I invested, it became double, but the debt goes double also.
Yes, yeah.
So I was in like a cycle of debts going on. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Then how? Yeah. So what kind of results did the bootcamp give you? What kind of results did you get from the Millionaire Mindset Mastery?
Yeah, the result which I started with the clearance, and the first, second, third session when I was going through, I came to I applied for different kind of loans, but nobody wanted to give me loan because my liabilities have grown and they were not giving me loan. So after the clearance, I received a call from one bank that they are ready to give me the loan and they will clear all my debts and they will make my one installment. Even though I was paying a huge amount of money for credit card loan and it was not going down. So now this bank have given me loan. They have taken my liabilities and I will be paying half of the amount.
Wow.
What I was paying for my credit cards and the minimum amounts and
without reducing the debts were reducing, you're paying so much. Yes, I get it.
So I will be starting the installments in 3 months. So this is something which is giving me a space to breathe. At least I was taking loan. It's a big thing, but now I learned that I have to how to manage money.
Yes.
But first I have to hold the money that at least I can reduce. If I'm paying installments, at least it goes down. Not it grows. It was growing like in a cycle. I'm paying. Now I will pay half. Plus I can now breathe with my salary.
I remember discussing this with you at the time. This has been a big thing for you, isn't it? So even though because you're in a job, your income level hasn't gone up. The way your relationship to money has changed, and now you're able to manage your money better, and actually have got a plan in motion which will reduce your debt rather than actually have it increase. Is that right?
Yeah. First is I will be able to hold it. Like if I'm paying for last 10 months, I was going in same and I was paying more and I could not go down. So now it will start going down. Plus, after getting into Mastermind, I have been if I'm traveling, it will be easy for me to travel. Like I will travel for a long. I'll find somebody to live there, like my relatives or something happen that I will be spending half of it or less than half of the money. instead of
Mm.
like paying full amounts, staying in
So
hotels or
you start receiving more gifts, right? So you start, even though because you're in a job, because you don't have any additional income coming from elsewhere,
yes.
you have started receiving gifts and people helping you with your traveling costs and with your resident, when you go staying there, instead of staying hotels, you've been able to stay with relatives. And they've asked, this hasn't happened before, this has happened after you've joined the mastermind. So this is now, you become a better receiver. So one of the things we do teach in the mastermind is about how to start receiving help. Not receiving monetary help from people around you, but also from the universe, because the universe can help you through people you're in contact with. So that's how you've been helped. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that sounds
Yeah.
wonderful, 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 wonderful. Now, what was the initial reason that stopped you from, why, when you were looking to join the mastermind, what was keeping you, what was holding you back from actually joining? What was going in your mind, which made you think, shall I go in, shall I not go in before?
The thing that was blocking me, I joined different programs from a very famous coaches, but I dropped them in the middle because they were super expensive and I see no results in like 3 months, 4 months. I'm just paying their installments. I'm first of all going in depth and I'm paying their amount, and I earn in dirhams and I have to pay in dollars. It's like triple to my what I'm earning. So when I find cool, yeah.
Sorry, my cat decided to go and my cat. She decided she's going to go and have muffins, and she climbed and she opened the door and had the muffins, and I'm like, okay.
Wow, I love your cat. She's very famous now. The famous cat.
This guy, it's literally when I was being here. She's not allowed on the worktop. She climbed the worktop, and I'm thinking, what's she doing? And I realized she's having a muffin.
What do you know? What is she doing? You find out that she is up to something.
Sorry. So basically, the point was, when you joined, the reason which stopped you from joining the mastermind was that you've joined all the other coaches and you've done all these other programs. They haven't really worked for you, and you weren't sure whether this would work for you. So what made you actually decide to come and join in the end? Then what was the tipping edge? What made you think, no, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go and do this program with Gul?
Okay, the thing that make me come and join your program, I think I did some of your free session and one meditation.
Yeah.
And the day I did, I am
the Millionaire in the Mirror,
myself,
right? In the Mirror, yeah.
Yeah, Millionaire in the Mirror. I am myself starting, like in the initial stages of starting my own coaching. So, but it's like I don't have anyone. I'm not even working fully on it. But the day I did her Millionaire Mirror program, I received my first call, my first discovery call.
Yeah.
Which was really like shocking for me, because for 3 months I was trying to receive calls, or I wanted to call. Nobody was contacting me. Like I would not even getting emails, nothing. And that day something happened. So it just like validated.
Yeah.
Then
It was a sign from the universe that you should do this.
Yeah. And after that, some days again I did it, and the same day I received another discovery call. So it like it's like hit me, like it's like something is moving. So I think I should try, or just like, okay, try one more. Let's try this this also. And talking with Gul was like very interesting. So I like feel like very much inspiring talking to her. So I said, let me do her program.
Awesome. So if somebody is sitting on the fence and thinking whether they should join this, Millionaire Mindset Mastery mastermind, what would your advice be to them? If someone's sitting on the fence thinking, should I join? Should I not join?
I think you should, because if you say this is a person's personal preference, that how much you get attached to the coach,
Mm.
because I find very inspiring Gul. Like every coach is not for you. So
Yes.
Gul was the coach for me.
Yeah.
So if somebody get, see, my problem of not joining was because I had less finances, but still I take a risk,
Yes.
and I did, and I got benefit because the reason I joined, because I was going in depth, and I think why I joined is almost like it's solved.
Yeah. The issue
So
has been solved. Yes.
yeah, so if a person really want to make a change, they should go for bigger programs like mastermind. That's what I believe.
Mm.
Until if you are in a smaller programs or free programs, or they will help you on the surface level.
Yes.
But
Not in
if you
depth.
want,
Not in depth. Agreed. Yes.
yeah, this like I believe, because I learned myself about coaching, and before I was doing like free and just general, but when I took a mastermind program, it literally shifted everything in depth. Then I learned. Before I did not learn. So
Yeah.
that's, i I recommend that whoever wants to do full, or no need to do. That's what I believe.
Awesome. What was the best thing about doing this Millionaire Mindset Mastery? What was the best thing you found doing it?
uh, very some beliefs, like very in depth small things, like when I told her that I have huge investment, and the same I have, because I didn't realize that I am in negative money mindset.
Hmm.
When I have like the amount of debt I have, the amount of saving I have. So it's like I have I haven't, the thing I learned from this, that the money I have gained, but my vibration has not gained. It has not raised yet.
Yes.
So like how Gul explains, like people who win lotteries, they become they go back to their state after 2 or 3 years, because their vibration has not raised, their mindset has not raised, so they have not learned how to handle money or take care of the this energy.
Yeah.
So that was very interesting part, very very basic and different things Google teaches, which I just that blows my mind. Yeah,
Awesome.
it
Awesome.
just like clears a lot of things, clears a lot of things. Especially the first two clearings were like amazing.
And
They
what
started shifting.
have you done energy clearing before, or was this very new to you? So my work entails working with energy and psychology. So I do energy clearings, but I also teach the psychological tools as well. So had you done any energy clearings before working with me?
I have done energy clearings, a lot of energy clearings, but this one has shifted a lot in me.
Mm.
Those one like I do, but if we if we don't see results, then we don't believe it.
Exactly. Yeah. So you saw the results
Yeah,
with these energy clearings, and that's why
yeah,
you believed in the process
yeah,
more. Right. Okay.
yeah.
That's it. That's exactly it. So I know a lot of people. So I mean, it sounds very woo woo, and for somebody who's not familiar with energy clearings, or because these are not tangible results. These are energy shifts are so subtle, and in your as a being, you can feel it, and other people will start seeing difference in you as well. And then you start seeing your results because your circumstances are changing, your outside reality starts changing, and with your, especially how people were responding to you, because your relationships have changed, haven't they? Because before you were the one who was always giving, now you're able to receive, and you're able to receive gifts. I remember having that conversation when you said, I'm normally the one who gives gifts, now I'm receiving them, right?
Yeah, I'm like I'm able to receive now. Like
Hmm.
I'm opening. Not It's not like one clearing will literally open you up. It will
It's a
give you
process.
like confidence of
Hmm.
small. Okay, you will see small change. You will see small something happen. So it will then give you confidence. Okay, it can happen. Then start changing, start receiving. That's how it works. That's how I start believing That's how I'm enjoying now.
And how did you find the community? So the kind of people you're surrounded with when you're doing this, what did you find in them? Because I think the leader, like someone, that person would determine, the energy of that person would determine, the energy of that person would determine what kind of people are attracted to you and what kind of clients you bring in. So what did you find of the community that I've put together? How did you find them?
I think they were like me only. They are very well, like, they are not, we just like, not, they're in that vibration, but they are not, that depth awareness yet like me. I find like what they ask, what they say is like exactly like me.
Yeah. They have similar
Like, I
questions.
don't find any difference. Like, if I have some questions, they will say, oh, that was my question. They said that. But I think they're like very intelligent people over there sitting in the community also.
Yeah, they are very, I think because I come from a professional background, I attract very high caliber and high achievers, and therefore the intellectual ability of most people there is quite high, and but it's those people who are willing to, with an open mind, willing to shift their energy, willing to work with the metaphysical rather than actually think of just dealing with the A's and B's of the logical mind, which normally, because I come from a corporate background, I would be working with the logical mind rather than my spiritual energy. Yeah, that makes the total sense. So just to wrap this up, Sidra, if you were going to recommend this Millionaire Mindset Mastery to your best friend, what would you say about it? What would you tell your best friend about this Millionaire Mindset Mastery?
Okay, I will tell her that you should do something. Like, what will I tell? Like, see, this is unexplainable. I cannot explain it. It's like, I say it's a calling. I can explain her. I can recommend that Gul have like different energy. She is on a different level, and she can explain you very nicely, and you can understand that. And if somebody has money issues, I definitely will recommend the first person is Gul. Yeah. But to be honest, I don't have words to explain. Like, what it is, I don't know. It just
you
go with the
feel
feel.
it. You have to feel it. It's more of a feeling rather than actually. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, I think we may have lost you, Sidra. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Sidra. And I think we may have lost you there for a moment. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this interview with Sidra Rustam. I'm super grateful that she was able to join us and then she unfortunately got cut off. I look forward to speaking to you another time, another place with another guest and talking about Millionaire Mindset Mastery series. Thank you so much for joining me, and take care. Bye for now.